pick out a few winners. All of these tools are valuable and helpful to have in your car. It really depends on your needs as far as which one you should choose for yourself. If you're looking for simplicity, and if you're looking for something to stabilize you as you're into a car, then I think you want to look at the Handybar. If you want something that doesn't take up a lot of space, you can put it in a pouch it has and put this on your visor, then maybe you want this one, because at least you can cut the seatbelt and break the glass with that one. Now, to add a few more features, my favorite for that one is the FutureSky, because we like the two-sided hazard light. But if you prefer flashlights, then maybe you want to go with this general, because it was a little bit brighter on the flashlight. This tool, you add not such a great flashlight, but you do have the compass and the tire gauge if that's something you want. So this one is a little bit more versatile than the other tools. And then finally we have Amazon Basics tool, which doesn't have a lot of frills to it, but I gotta tell you, when we were using it, it seemed very user-friendly. So overall, if you're looking for something with features, I would say it'd be a tie between this one and this one, depending on if you want the compass and the tire gauge. If you're looking for something that's more simple and will also stabilize you, then I would go with the Handybar. Who's to say you couldn't have a couple of these in your car? Anyway, happy shopping. Check out the links below. Check out our previous videos to see each car safety tool in depth, and also see our tests that we ran on those. That's it. We'll see you in the next video.